When you fire up your Excel, there might be a few differences once you get into this Excel screen. First thing I want to acknowledge is the Quick Access toolbar in the top left corner. Now in the top left corner, I can see is rather a green panel. You can actually customize this green appearance, and I want you to know that. For example, I actually don't like it being green at the top. So I'm going to take you to File, and I'm going to take you to Options. And I want to introduce you to this particular setting here called Office Theme. Now at the moment, my screen is displaying a colourful Office theme. But if I hit this drop down, maybe I choose dark grey, and I go OK. And this is a dark grey colour scheme. So your computer may have a different colour scheme, be aware of that. I actually think personally the best colour scheme is white because it allows you to clearly see things. So for this session, I'm going to ask you to go to File, go to Options, and in this particular screen, choose the Office theme, white. But notice that you can change your Office theme at any time, and you at the end of the day decide what Office theme you like. But throughout this course, my Office theme will be white, so when I go OK, I can clearly see white up here, and I can clearly see the buttons on my Quick Access toolbar. So I just wanted you to know about the Office theme.